Birds are just like human beings. Each one has different appearance, abilities, habits, and specialties. They are the resemblance of humans. Birds are like jewels of nature. They are the most beautiful creation of God. We can find them anywhere and everywhere. We should protect the birds because they are the one who make the environment lively and joyful. We should protect birds because without their song our life would be completely dull. Birds are the one who make the sky beautiful and colorful with their wonderful flight and magnificent plumage. Birds should be saved. There is a wide range of varieties and species of birds, and every species has its own importance. Birds play an important role in maintaining the food chain of organisms. Some birds, like eagle and vultures, eat the dead and decaying animals, and in this way they clean up our environment. Some birds are so pretty that people love to be around them, like parrots, sparrows, etc. Various types of birds like warblers, parrots, vultures, sunbirds are actually protecting people by playing important ecological roles like insect predation, scavenging carcasses, and pollination, respectively, and thereby making the earth a functional and also a beautiful place. Birds are stunning, excellent flying creatures discovered in our environment. Birds are beautiful creatures. It makes us feel better as it has beautiful sound, a beautiful look. Birds are good creatures that do not hurt or disturb anybody. We should protect it as God created everything for a reason. We should protect birds because they are beautiful and enrich our lives by their presence. They are living creatures and have an important role in the planet's ecology. The world would be a very sad place without them. God created everything for a reason. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe, press the bell button and the like symbol. Thank you.